Did you know in 2014 the hotel industry generated $450 billion? 21% of this was done through mobile devices. Hi, I'm Keir Johnson, Head of Customer Success at Pulsate, and I'll be taking this week's episode where we'll be talking about mobile app strategies for hotels. Let's get into it. So, what are the challenges facing hotels today? We have so much guest data, and how do we create a unique experience at all touchpoints? It's very difficult for hotels to really grasp the idea of all this information can be used to really harness an improved and really unique customer experience and can deliver it better than anyone else out there and really differentiate themselves with their competitors. How do we keep up with today's technological landscape? Technology changes every 6 months from iOS to Android. There's always something new. You always have to keep on top of it or else you will get left behind. Mobile payments, again, is something that's really important. PayPal and Paydian, some of our good friends, do some amazing work around payments, in-app wallet and in-app loyalty system. New revenue streams, while they can be quite expensive to start off, the results that these will deliver in the end are going to be truly amazing, and it's definitely something you need to invest in going forward in the future. So what are the top trends at the moment? I'm not going to go through all of these, otherwise we will be here all day. So I'm just going to pick out a few that are really interesting. Mobile check-in and check-out, that's something that's really important. If we take, for instance, airline industry, they've been doing some amazing things around really slimlining this process to get it really fast. And it's something that, hotels are looking into now to really enhance that experience, get people checking in very quickly without, even a human touch. Selecting specific rooms, requesting extra amenities, check at a hotel, menus, spa treatments, drinks by the poolside. These are all things you can do right now and people are starting to do and companies are starting to do at the moment. So there's some really interesting things, and there's definitely some companies out there at the moment that are already doing them, like Hilton. The Hilton have started off doing some mobile digital check-in, and it's becoming really, really popular and really, really driving them to the forefront of technology in the hotel industry. They're also doing door key functionality, so people can actually check in and then actually go up to the door itself and actually let themselves in with their mobile device. Room selection and customization, again, whether it be upgrades or ordering specific things, that's something that's really interesting for, today's millennial users and people with mobile devices. Another that's really leading the way is Best Western. They're geofencing currently airports, train stations, bus stations in the Washington area to notify customers via push notification that they are getting the best out of the deals that are in the area if they haven't actually gone on board yet. And then to kind of wrap this all up, some of the use cases that you can start doing now, and they're definitely in the reach and are definitely something that hotels should be looking into. Geofencing, using location and time, where that person is, whether they're approaching the hotel and you want to check them in automatically, that's something you can definitely do. Loyalty, again, is something we keep on hammering on about here. It's really important. Your loyal users are the ones who are going to define your success, and they're the ones who are going to really drive the revenue for you going forward. Onboarding, user churn, again, getting people using the app, people who haven't used it in a while, you really need to engage with these people as well. Remind them of the latest, deals, offers, rooms in the area that might interest them. And of course, conversations. Again, chatting with your customers, sparking up conversations, making sure they're having a great time and a really unique experiences. So to recap, we need to today keep up with technology. We can't get left behind. If we get left behind, our competitors are going to leave us in their wake. There's plenty of stuff we can do out there in the trends. Some of this is already being done at the moment. And again, there's plenty more, including these, that is out there for you to do. We need to, see what people are doing in the industry already. We need to innovate on top of that and make sure we're doing it better. And again, differentiating ourselves with our competitors. And the use cases, location, time, loyalty, onboarding, conversations, this is all stuff we can do right now. And that pretty much sums up for today's Academy. I've been Keir Johnson. You can reach me at the Pulsate Twitter tag, which is PulsateHQ. And any other questions, you can reach me on my email, which will appear somewhere around me magically. And thanks very much. See you next week. Did you know in 2014, the hotel industry generated 214, no, that's the year, Technology is changing rapidly. Every 6 months there's a new iOS device, there's a new iOS